In this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to tell if your Pokemon cards are rare for the new Pokemon TCG set and going forward in the future. Alright, so first of all, I think a lot of you want to know how to find out the rarity of your Pokemon cards, and in order to do that, it's actually very simple. Now here we have three kinds of Pokemon. We have Sprigatito, Fuecoco, and Quaxly, all of which are the new starters of the new generation of Scarlet and Violet. Now to check the rarity, it's very simple. You just have to check the bottom left, and as you can see that there is a black circle there for all three, which indicates it's a common card. And here we have the evolutions of the starter Pokemon. We have Florigato, Crocolore, and Quaxwell. And each one of them have a black diamond indication, which indicates it's an uncommon card. And finally, we have the second stage evolution of the three starters. We have Meowscarada, Skeledirge, and Quaquavel, each of which have a black star indicating a rare type of card. Not only that, but in this set, starting from Scarlet and Violet base and going forward, the rare cards are always also going to be indicated as a holographic card. Now in this new Pokemon TCG set with Scarlet and Violet and going forward, the Pokemon Company brought out new rarity symbols. Here we have the Miraidon EX and the Gyarados EX, both of which have the new rarity symbol, the two black stars, which are known as the double rare. The second new rarity symbol that was brought out in the Scarlet and Violet set and going forward is the 2 white star card, or known as ultra rare. Here we have the Spidops EX full art and the Team Star Grunt Trainer full art, both of which you can see at the bottom left. They have the new 2 white star rarity symbol, which indicates it's an ultra rare. The next rarity symbol that the Pokemon Company brought out in this new Scarlet and Violet set and going forward is the gold star, which indicates that it is an illustration rare Pokemon. Or simply, it's the alternate artwork for a regular Pokemon. Here we have the Pachirisu and the Bombardier Pokemon cards. At the bottom left you can see the gold star rarity symbol indicating that these are illustration rares. The next rarity symbol that was brought out in this new generation of Pokemon cards are the 2 gold star cards, or known as special illustration rares. These special illustration rares are basically alternate artwork of Pokemon EXs as well as trainer cards. Here we have the Koraidon EX special illustration as well as the Jock trainer card special illustration, both of which, as you can see on the bottom left, have the 2 gold star rarity symbols, which indicates they're both special illustration rares. And finally, we have the last rarity symbol that's brand new, which is the 3 gold stars, which indicates that the Pokemon is a hyper rare. These hyper rare cards are known as gold cards. As you can see, we have a nest ball here, and if you check the bottom left, there's 3 gold stars indicating that it's an hyper rare Pokemon card. Although this is not a new rarity symbol, it is still a returning one. Here we have the Miraidon and Koraidon artwork from the ETBs you get, and at the bottom left we have the black star promo symbol. So now that we know how to check a card's rarity by its symbol it's assigned to it, there are still a couple of other variables that contributes to the overall rarity of these Pokemon cards. In general, Pokemon cards come in 3 different variations. There's the regular print, reverse holo, and holo. The regular print is just a standard card with nothing special about it other than the artwork. The reverse holo, however, is where the entire card is made out of a shiny foil except for the main picture. In this new generation of Pokemon cards starting from Scarlet and Violet, every pack is guaranteed 2 reverse holos. Or 1, depending on if you're lucky to get an illustration rare or not. And then there's the holo cards. These cards have a shiny foil on the main picture and is only seen with the rare type card for the Pokemon cards in Scarlet and Violet. Not only that, but in this new generation, every pack of Pokemon is guaranteed a holo rare at the end of each pack. So no more regular rare prints. Since the rare card in every pack is guaranteed to be a holo, it can go on to say that the reverse holo rares is now more rare than the holo rare cards themselves in this new Pokemon Scarlet and Violet set and going forward. The reason why pulling a reverse holo rare is much lower is due to the fact that the commons and uncommons can also be reverse holos, where chances of pulling those are equally possible. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video where I showed you guys how to determine if your Pokemon cards are rare. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and leave this video a like and subscribe for more Pokemon TCG content. And as always, I hope you have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. See ya.